Hello my friends, welcome back. So if you want to link your Exness account to MetaTrader 5 for Forex, stocks or crypto trading, this video is for you. So first you need an active Exness account, of course. Go to exness.com and click sign up. Fill in your details like email and phone number. Complete KYC verification with ID documents for verification as required for trading. In your Exness Personal Area, open a new MT5 account, choose Standard, Pro or Raw Spread, and note your account number, password, and server name like Exness MT5 Standard. Download MetaTrader 5 from exness.com or MetaTrader for your device, Windows, Mac, iOS or Android. For desktop, run the installer, agree to the license and click Finish. For mobile, grab it from the App Store or Google Play, open MT5 and skip the Open an Account prompt by clicking Cancel. I fumbled this once, just stick to Exness login steps next. In MT5, click File, log into Trade Accounts on desktop or tap Manage Accounts, then Plus on mobile. Enter your Exness account number, password, and server name like Exness MT5 Standard from your personal area. After that, click Login or Sign In. You'll hear a chime if successful, and your account balance will appear. Guys, also double check your server, update MT5, or ensure your internet is stable to avoid issues. Have any questions? Share below, like and subscribe and ring the bell. See you next time.